So today we're doing installation to a Gilera Poco, a motorbike, and this is a training session at the same time. Okay, we've located a good grounding here, and then we have to peel off from here. We found this 13 volts from here. Okay, here it is then. This is the positive power grounding. No external antenna because it sees everything through the plastic, and she did all the installation on her own. Very good, excellent job. So there it is. It didn't take more than 10 minutes. So there it is. It didn't take more than 10 minutes.